What is up, guys? It's BB Gamer here, and today we're gonna be doing a little Photoshop tutorial, and I'm basically just going to be going over the basics, and doing like maybe one of these or two of these a week. I'm not really sure yet. Depends on how many I can get done. But we're just gonna be going over the basics, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make like each video, make maybe like a banner in one, and so you can make like your whole YouTube sort of thing, like a banner, avatar, wallpaper, and thumbnails. So like everything you ever need. So yeah. So the first one right now we're gonna be making I'm just gonna be showing off all the different like things you can do here, and yeah. So the first thing I want to do is you can do Control N, and you'll bring up the new file thing, and then you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna be doing example. Right. So I've got tons of presets, but you're gonna have just those, and you're gonna want to go in and add like everything that YouTube needs. Yeah, because you're going to want to do that eventually. So right now I'm just going to click on thumbnail. And I've got 92 by 1080. So that's YouTube thumbnail size. So we'll just click OK. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. I'm on a laptop right now, so it's going to load a bit slower than you probably unless you're on a laptop too. So one of the things you can do is you can make like little stripes like this. So you want to do like, well, first here, okay. So I'm going to show you how to get these little rulers. You might not have them. So you do Control R, so you get rid of the rulers and add the rulers. You might say these are really stupid, but you can see that they kind of like you can kind of like move it around. So like say you got a banner and it'll be like right here, and then you'll have one right here, and you can kind of tell yourself where you need to put like the little banner marks, or we can say maybe I want a stripe right there, so we can go select it with our selection tool right here. All right, rectangular marquee tool. Am I right? Yeah, am I right? So you can just select that, and you're gonna select the paint bucket, and then you can change your colors. Let's just make it a light blue, and just click on there, and then you got yourself a stripe. And then you can move this stripe around, I guess, if you want to. Who knows? Whatever you want to do. So you can just have that right there, or whatever. I'm going to show you how to add text. So, I mean, of course, you can erase too. See this little like thing. I don't know, it's kind of lagging a bit for some reason. But anyways, okay, yeah. Come on. There you go. Alright, so I'm just want to get all this and this thing right there. Don't want to drag away the whole white part, do we? Alright, so let's add text. So we're going to add text right here, and we're just going to put tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Action Comics black font, I believe, in every single one of these videos. Yes, Action Comics black. Alright. Yep. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna put tutorial. You can choose whatever color you want. You just need to double click the layer right here on the T. Just double click it, and it'll select it all for you. And then you can just go down here and change it, or whatever. So we'll just leave it like that. And then you can double click over here. Just double click right here in this like white space, right? This blank spot right here. So once you double click there, it'll bring up this little layer style thing, and this is very helpful for you. So you can change the opacity and everything. We're just gonna leave it right like that, and you can add a simple bevel on this. You can drag it around, do whatever you want with it. You can drag around the size, make it like this weird thing right here. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I mean, it's all up to you. For this one, I'm just gonna drag it all up to the max. You can do whatever you want. It's your choice. So I'll put color around that. So it's gonna make this like really weird effect. Not really sure what I'm doing with this, but whatever. Alright, and then for glow, by the way, I added satin there. It doesn't do that much, the satin. It works better if you don't like put everything to the max. Just so you know. So I want to change this to this. Yeah. Yeah, so it's gonna add this like weird effect dealio to it. It's a very interesting thing to use. You gotta get used to it. And then you can add glow. So I'm just gonna add like a purplish glow on this thing. I don't think it's not gonna look very well. Very good, very well. Right, you could add noise. I'm not gonna recommend that you add any noise. You can mess around with the sizes and things. So I want to change that to normal. So you can mess around with that a little bit. Mess around with it. You can make it kind of drawn in or fuzzy or whatever. Whatever you want to do. It's all up to you. Actually, let's change this. Okay. We'll just do that, I guess, for the tutorial. Nope, so I click to cancel. Alright, so you got that or whatever, and then you can add a drop shadow, which is a must-have in all pictures. We'll do color burn. That one's the best one. You can't. It doesn't not really making any difference. Let's get rid of that outer glow. Maybe people will see it then. Maybe there we go. All right, so you can put it on whatever you want. It's all up to you again. So it's gonna add like this drop shadow, and it's gonna look interesting, I guess. So those are kind of the basic things that you need to know. You'll need to know for all of these. Um, yeah. So you can also change the opacity. Yeah, I already told you about the opacity. Yeah, you can do that. So that's kind of the basic things you need to know. Of course, you can like crop things. If it's like a picture, you can just crop up a little bit. That's not really a big deal, and I just did something really weird. Alright. Yeah, so yeah, that's what you're gonna need to know, kind of the basic things here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little basic tutorial just to get you all guys set up. There will be a tutorial uploaded along with this one, so after you've watched this, just click on, I might have an annotation or the link will be in the description, something like that. So you guys can go check that one out, because it just kind of prepares you for that. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more. See you guys later.